Eddie Oberoi, your real estate resource right here in the Silicon Valley. Today I happen to be in Oakland, California. That's right, Oakland. As you know, I do business all over the Bay Area because I love to drive, and my clients, if they're moving from Palo Alto to the East Bay or Pleasanton to Los Altos or San Jose to Saratoga, I'm there for them. I don't care how far I have to drive because I'm willing to work hard and be all over the place. So the reason why I love this property, because it's in Oakland and you're right next to San Francisco. How cool is that? Let's come on in, take a tour. Welcome to PENNIMAN Avenue. Located on a corner lot across from Allendale Elementary, this home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1,400 square feet of living space with 2 separate entrances. Perfect opportunity for an investor or first-time homebuyer. Potential rental income from the bedroom, which has its own entrance. The living and dining room combo has tons of natural light, and it is adjacent to the kitchen, offering an abundance of wood cabinetry with granite countertops. Neutral interior paint, dual pane windows, carpeting, and convenient indoor laundry room with side yard access. Also, easy access to Highway 580, BART stations, schools, and Laurel Shopping District. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. Just so you know, I want to be your real estate resource right here in the Silicon Valley, and for that matter, anywhere in the US and Canada. I'll talk to you soon.